When you open this gift box, you have received the cleaning plan for a healthy family member. It is a healthy upright mop, standing upright on the wires while mopping the floor, effectively avoiding strain on the lumbar muscles and shoulder area. The sensory information of the triangular toe bar through the cooperative movement of both hands, transmitted to the brain through the spinal cord to the central nervous system, stimulating neural activity to enhance mental state. Start operation. Aluminum plate right face forward. Grasp the comfortable handle at the top with one hand. One hand with tiger's mouth pointing upwards. Gently grip the middle of the pole and drag the floor in an inverted shape. Buckle edge, deep corners, drag and sweep. Garbage follows the mop. The advantages of this nylon mop for mopping the floor are: the dried ground is different from other dried ground. Deep cleaning of floor tile seams. Clean the entire house without dead corners. Clean, bright and comfortable. The tool rack is pasted 1 meter above the bathroom floor drain. Store discreetly without taking up space. Standardized bathroom standards. Gloves and rings advocate for health. Hang up gloves after use. The damp inner wall quickly and naturally dries through. Beneficial to health. Effectively avoiding dampness after hanging. Mop touching the ground will not breed bacteria. It also prevents the elderly and children from getting up and bumping into each other at night. A gift that conveys health.